Good morning, everybody. I was doing some work on my motor, and I figured I'd show a few of the newbies a little lesson today as to how to remove the posts from lawnmowers. You know, if you're going to use them for projects and things. As you can see, we have a 2-stroke Toro here. It's got a bit of a different setup, but that's alright. And this one here has a total of 4 post bolts. So we're just going to snag these ones out for now. A quick video. Easy, simple. Turn that so you can see it a bit better. Nice. I'm going to be using these.
What you doing?
I'm doing a little video. I'm using these little locking nuts that came with it. You want to light that? You want a lighter?
I don't have a lighter.
Oh, fine. Go ahead.
I didn't know what you were doing down here.
Ah.
The lighter right fucking here.
Oh, good shit. So, we're going to put the locking end on first because, well, let's just do it that way. Just to make it a little bit more difficult for everybody. Ain't that right, honey?
Yeah.
Now you can see our little bolts on there. A little bit more. I'll get a bit more on there. Okay. Now we're going to take our other one. We're going to stick it on there. The same thing. Now this engine is nice is because there's a lot of 10mm bolts, so it keeps everything nice and simple. And this engine is an array of everything from 8 to 10, so you got 8, 9s, and 10s all over the place. It was fun. So I'm steadying it with this one, right? And I'm going to tighten this one right on there as much as I can. You want that super tight. Just like that. Right, let's turn that a little bit more. Now, I'm going to take our little 10mm. I'm going to crank it onto the top. And just like the last one, it should crack and loosen right up off of there. Now, if you want to make this easier for yourself, now that the post is loose, let's set our little super ratchet to loosen. We're going to grab this and we're going to loosen this off just a bit. Because with these locking nuts, we get enough bite on there that we don't have to worry about not being able to grab the post after, right? Here, I'll show you. We got the one locking nut off of there, not washer. Good morning. Oh, it's still didn't grab. Okay, so we're going to stick that back on there. I haven't even had a full cup of coffee. Oh. See, there we go. So let's see if we can get away with turning that whole unit. Oh. Nope. Oh my, failing at my own video. Look at that. Way to go, life. Let's get them just a little bit tight. Let's get that past the glory mark. There we go. Now we're going to do that again. Just because we can. And I mean, this is purpose for all different kinds of things, right? If you want to put on a different kind of intake or, you know, make your own kind of thingamajigger, you know, shabam. Oh, see, there we go, bit a bit. So now we're going to take our loose flying wrench. And we're just going to kind of twist that right off. Just like that. And there you go. You have a freed up post. Pretty neat, eh? And then you just grab it really nice and firmly and just spin your locking nut right back off. And you're good to go. Now, as long as you have a bolt with the same threading, you want to put something else on there, you're able to do so. And that is a simple little video of how to take out your post bolts there for beginners. I hope it all helped you guys. Have a wonderful morning.